What up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here. We're on top of the Headwall at Alyeska in Alaska. Look at the views. This is a 360 video, and we're going to do a top to bottom run. Kenny's with me, so here we go. You ready, Kenny?
Oh, yeah.
We're on a spine on top. Kenny, look where we're at, dude.
This is crazy.
This is nuts.
Put a smile on my face.
We're just looking for the best place to drop. We want like a nice fresh line. And the earlier stuff all got ridden. On the other side of this.
Me first or you first?
Why don't you jump behind me so you can get in the shot?
All right.
Oh yeah, that was good. Woo! Woo! Feels bottomless. Oh, rock!
Oh, man.
This came out of nowhere. Always the best part after you ride something like that, turn back and look. I just didn't want to tomahawk and ruin the video.
I started sliding down on my butt and then I just
Did you?
had to send it.
Oh, sick.
That was awesome.
Woo!